Discover 14 powerful foods for a healthy liver. The liver plays a crucial role in our overall health, and maintaining a healthy liver is essential for our well-being. In this video, we will explore 14 foods that are not only beneficial for the liver but also aid in detoxification and improve its function. Whether you're dealing with fatty liver, liver fat, or simply want to protect your liver, these foods can make a significant difference. So, let's dive into the list and discover the amazing benefits these foods offer. Coffee, the protector. Coffee, surprisingly, has been proven to have a protective effect on the liver. Numerous scientific studies have shown that consuming at least 2 cups of coffee daily can reduce the risk of developing fibrosis or cirrhosis. This effect is especially important for individuals with existing liver conditions such as hepatitis or fatty liver. Coffee increases the level of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and prevents the accumulation of fat and collagen in the liver. Remember to enjoy your coffee black, without any added sugars or creams, for optimal results. Green tea, the liver's ally. Green tea is another excellent beverage for liver health. It offers protective benefits by reducing oxidative stress, minimizing fat accumulation, and lowering liver enzyme levels associated with liver damage. Studies suggest consuming 3 to 4 cups of green tea throughout the day to reap these protective effects. However, be cautious if you're sensitive to caffeine, as green tea can interfere with sleep quality. Adjust your consumption accordingly to maintain a good night's rest. Blueberries and cranberries, tiny superfoods. Blueberries and cranberries are powerhouse fruits that contribute to liver health. These small, red berries contain anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage and delay the formation of scar tissue. Incorporating these fruits into your diet 3 to 4 times a week, either as toppings on yogurt or in fruit salads, can provide these protective benefits to your liver. Grapefruit, the citrus wonder. Grapefruit is a tangy fruit that offers numerous benefits for the liver. It contains antioxidants and compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. Additionally, grapefruit enhances the liver's detoxification process by promoting the production of enzymes that aid in the removal of toxins. Including grapefruit in your diet or starting your day with a glass of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice can be an excellent way to support your liver's health. Fatty fish, omega-3 powerhouse. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower fat levels in the liver, and improve insulin resistance. Regularly consuming fatty fish can have a positive impact on liver health, especially for individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to obtain these benefits. Olive oil, liquid gold for your liver. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is known for its numerous health benefits, including liver protection. Its high content of monounsaturated fats helps reduce liver inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Incorporate olive oil into your cooking or use it as a dressing for salads to enjoy its liver-boosting properties. Walnuts, nutty goodness for your liver. Walnuts are a nutrient-rich powerhouse, and they offer excellent benefits for liver health. Their high content of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants helps reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, walnuts support healthy liver enzyme levels, which are crucial for proper liver function. Include a handful of walnuts in your daily diet for a crunchy and liver-loving snack. Turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly found in curry dishes, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which make it a valuable ally for liver health. It helps reduce liver damage caused by toxins and promotes the regeneration of liver cells. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, add it to soups or stews, or enjoy a warm cup of turmeric tea. Beetroot, the detoxifier. Beetroot is a root vegetable known for its rich color and distinct earthy flavor. It contains compounds called betalains, which help stimulate liver detoxification and support overall liver function. Additionally, beetroot is high in fiber, which aids in the removal of waste products from the body. You can enjoy beetroot by juicing it, roasting it, or adding it to salads for a delicious and liver-friendly boost. Garlic, nature's cleanser. Garlic has been used for centuries as a medicinal herb due to its powerful health benefits. It contains compounds like allicin and selenium, which aid in liver detoxification and support the production of liver enzymes. Garlic also has antimicrobial properties that can help protect the liver from infections. Incorporate garlic into your meals by adding it to sauces, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables to harness its liver-cleansing potential. Leafy greens, nature's nutrient powerhouses. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, are packed with essential nutrients that promote liver health. They are rich in chlorophyll, which aids in detoxification, and contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that support liver function. Including a variety of leafy greens in your salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes can provide your liver with the nourishment it needs. Cruciferous vegetables, the liver's best friends. Cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage, are liver-loving foods. They are rich in glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds that support liver detoxification processes. These vegetables also provide a good amount of fiber and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. Steam, roast, or enjoy them raw in salads to maximize their liver benefits. Lemons, citrus cleanse. Lemons are not only refreshing but also beneficial for liver health. They are high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that aids in the production of glutathione, a key compound for liver detoxification. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can help kickstart your liver's cleansing process. You can also squeeze lemon juice over salads or incorporate it into marinades for a tangy twist. Green vegetables, the liver's cleaners. Green vegetables like asparagus and artichokes offer unique compounds that support liver health. Asparagus contains compounds that aid in the breakdown of toxins and promote liver cell regeneration. Artichokes contain cynarin, a compound that stimulates bile production, aiding in digestion and liver detoxification. Including these vegetables in your meals, whether steamed, grilled, or roasted, can provide valuable support to your liver. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy liver is essential for overall well-being, and incorporating these 14 powerful foods into your diet can help protect and optimize liver function. From antioxidant-rich berries to omega-3 packed fatty fish and liver-cleansing vegetables, these foods offer a wide range of benefits for your liver. As always, it's important to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any specific liver concerns. Prioritizing liver health will contribute to your overall vitality and longevity. Did you like the video? Please like, share, and subscribe for new content. Thank you and see you in the next time.